Morning. Right, so I get so many questions about hooded eyes, and as a makeup artist, it's been in the business for over 20 years. I've come across lots of hooded eyes, believe it or not. And there's loads of celebrities that have got hooded eyes as well. So I'm just going to talk you through a couple of tricks, okay? And I've made some notes. I'm going to keep looking at my notes because there's a few things to cover. So the first thing is, one thing you can do, okay, to make your eye space look wider and bigger is to line the bottom line with a nude pencil, okay? So not white, we don't go white anymore. This is a nude colour. I'm just going to show you. Can you see there? It's like a really nice nude. This one's from Lord & Berry. I shall put the link on what it's called. So the first thing is you can line this waterline here. And this is to make all eyes look bigger, actually, because hooded eyes can look smaller because the skin here, I mean, mine are slightly hooded here, covers the eyelid, okay? So it doesn't give you much room to put any eyeshadow or eyeliner on. So people with hooded eyes normally want them to look bigger, okay? So one trick is to use a nude colour liner inside your eyes, like this. Makes me go funny. It just creates a little bit more space, right? Okay. Second thing is, lots of people with hooded eyes, if they use eyeliner or anything like that, then the imprint goes onto the skin above. Yeah, same with mascara. I would suggest two things. Use waterproof mascara and use a mascara with a teeny tiny wand, right? This is the new Maybelline one, which is gorgeous, called Sky High. So when I say tiny wand, I'm talking about a tight wand. You don't want a big fluffy wand, just goes everywhere. And to put powder on your eyelids, okay, after your foundation. 1 second. I'm back. Right, so this one is by Michelle, a brand, a friend of mine's brand, and it's really sheer. Look how sheer that is. It hardly even comes, I mean, it comes off enough, but it's super sheer. If you powder your eyelids are sweaty. They are sweaty things, okay? So just put a bit of powder on your eyelids. It will stop, it should stop, any imprint of mascara or liner, you know, going up onto that fold of skin that is above the eyelid, okay? So that's a trick, right? The other thing is when you are putting eyeshadow on hooded eyes, you've kind of got to fake it to make it. So I don't know if you can see here. Right, let's have a look. What I'm going to do is, normally I would put the eyeshadow in this crease, okay, in this crease. But when you've got hooded eyes, you've got to fake a crease, okay? So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So I'm just using my Donna May brushes. I'm just using a nudie sort of brown colour, very neutral. And when I say, look, you can see my skin here is slightly hooded, isn't it? So I'm not going to push into that socket line, which is what most people do. I'm going to put the line, the darkness, just above, okay? So I'm going to create a shadow above, which will make my eye look like I've got a socket line. Okay, so you can see there, I'm just taking that line all the way across the top. I'll take it even darker so you can see it a bit clearer. Okay, so that has made me look like I've got a pretend socket line, okay? So that line, I'm taking it all the way above and give it a little nice blend. Taking it above my natural socket line. I'm faking it, okay? Keep it in the corner there. Right, do you get that? You can use a finer brush if you want to really make, if your eyes are super hooded and you want to do it, hold on, watch this. So normally I would push in here, but I'm not, I'm taking it higher. I'm taking it here, look. Look, I'm taking it here. Okay, this is probably better actually because I'm using a concealer brush just to show you. I'm taking it higher like this. Right up there, that's how far I'm taking it. So I'm giving myself loads of space. I'm faking that space. Right, and then we will blend that. Get my blending brush. Right, now let's blend that in. Yeah, this is probably a better example than that one actually because I went a bit fluffier. Okay, so I've given myself this space here. Do you see that? And then you can obviously then, you know, put a bit more around here. But keep blending, keeping it high. Just faking that socket line. Okay. Right. Okay, so the other thing you want to do is when you're doing your eyebrows, so that's you faking your socket line, okay? I'm going to keep jumping to and from different things because my list is all over the place. Okay, so you've kept it high, this socket line. You want to always make sure, hooded eyes, you keep it lighter on the inside, okay? All the darkness is on the outside. So on the inside, you want to keep it nice light colours, like a pale colour. Just opens the eyes up. So I'm just using my finger there and putting a pale colour on that, on the inside, same as that side. And if you put a sparkle in the centre of your eyelid, that also really opens your eyes up. So, for example, I'll use Charlotte Tilbury Sparkle. Just put that there. And right in these corners here. And it just opens your eyes up, okay? Right? Now, obviously, I can go heavier on that if I want to, but I'm just showing you an example, right? The other thing you want to do with hooded eyes is when you're doing your eyebrows, you want to make sure they're not coming too far down and you take them slightly out, okay? It's anything you can do that lifts your eyes, yeah? So when you're doing your eyebrows, for example, I always use my my Benefit Gimme Brown because I like that brown mascara. But then on the ends, what you can do is, so rather than following it completely down, work on the top of the line. And you're taking it slightly up. I mean, I'm not up here, but you're not following it completely down here. I'm taking it more to here, okay? So it's all about lifting. Any way you can lift. Okay, and blend that in. Anywhere you can lift, the better. So just remember to raise the ends of your eyebrows slightly. What else? Lower lash line. Don't take, yeah, so if you can put some shadow underneath your eyes. Again, keep it the darker side here. Don't take it inwards. Don't take it into the corner. Keep it like that, okay? Just everything dark on the outside. What else is on my list? Light on, yeah, we've done that. Okay, right, eyeliner. So this is the big thing. Somebody asked me this week, and I said I would do this tutorial on eyeliner. People with hooded eyes who want to wear eyeliner that don't have the room there and it leaves the imprint, then this is an amazing trick, okay? So using the Lord & Berry Kajal stick, my favourite in the whole world. This is not waterproof though, so it will leave an imprint on your lower line. So it's up to you. You can use a waterproof one. So what you want to do is, rather than taking the line above the eyelashes, which is where normally you do a cat flick or an eyeliner, you're taking it in the waterline, so this pinky area underneath your lashes, okay? What that does is, first of all, it's not going to leave an imprint. Secondly, it's not going to take up too much space on your eyelid, okay? Because you don't want to take away any space unless you have to, because there's not much space there in the first place. So watch this, right? So just lift it up. It feels a bit uncomfortable, but you get used to it. Is give you a waterline. It's very subtle, but it's there. If you do this without any eyeshadow on even, it will really make your eyeline stand out. Okay. And then all you want to do with this is just put a little flick at the end. So you can still get your cat flick. And then use your brow brush, because it's slanted, to just blend that in and take it up slightly. Always lifting, always lifting. We do the other side. God, my eyesight's not good. Okay. Okay, so you're not putting any line on the skin above, other than in those corners. You've got to put mascara on, yeah. Right, let's put some mascara on, which opens everything up. So this is the Maybelline Sky High, and it's really lovely. Love a good supermarket mascara. You can probably see now a lot clearer that you can see the dark eyeline. It's very fine, very elegant, very neat. Okay, that's not going to smudge all over your upper eyelids. Dab on those ones. Focusing more on the outer lashes. And not so much on the ones that come inside, just a tiny bit there. Okay, so what do you think? That's all a good tip. I'm just trying to think of what else. If you were going to wear fake lashes, I would wear individual lashes, and I'd just put a couple on the edges, not taking them in. It would just look too full on. It would be hitting the skin that's hanging. Yeah, and that's it really. I mean, I can darken that. While I'm here, let's darken that. Let's darken this line just to show you a little bit more. Like so. I'm going to put this on heavy here. So I'm going above, remember I'm going above my natural socket line. Okay, and then I'm going to blend that. Just done it a bit darker so you can see exactly what I mean, okay? So that's just created loads of fake space. That's what we want. We want to be fake. Okay, any questions, then ask me down below. I'm just using a brown. It's nothing to do with the palette. It's just the technique, okay? It's the technique that matters. I think I've explained that okay. It was a bit long-winded, wasn't it? But I will put all the notes down below. And any questions, throw them over to me, okay? See you later. Bye.